Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Discord to Whop. So all you have to do is head over to whop.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. In a new tab, of course, make sure also that you're logged into your Discord account. Then next, just head over to your profile, then click on connected accounts. So from the list of apps, just choose Discord. You will then be redirected to this permissions page and all you have to do is keep scrolling, then click on authorize. And just by that, our Discord account is already connected to our WAP account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!